Can you tell me what a luxury home is? What does it mean to you? Is it the price, the size, the quality, the location? Is it some or all of these? Television seems to make the definition of luxury easy with all the luxury home shows being aired, but it's not that easy of a definition. It means something different to every person. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'd like to educate you about luxury homes. The Merriam-Webster dictionary defines luxury as an indulgence in something that provides pleasure, satisfaction, or ease. That's a fairly generic definition, but certainly accurate. Rocket Homes defines luxury homes as ones that are valued in the top 10% of the local market. The average home price is $980,000 in Los Angeles. Then a home priced at $1 million would probably not fall into the luxury category. However, with the average home price in Apple Valley being $385,000, then a $1 million home should get you a pretty luxurious home. But it's not always about the price. Location definitely plays a role, although that usually does affect the price. Having a penthouse overlooking Lake Minnetonka or that rural home with lots of acreage in Northfield can all be considered luxury as they provide pleasure and satisfaction, as Webster's dictionary states. But what about size? Certainly size does matter. The greater the square footage, the more luxurious the home can be considered. Take for an example a 1,400 square foot home in Wayzata. It may be considered luxurious just because of the location, but an 8,000 square foot home on Lake Minnetonka would trump the smaller size by far in the luxury category. Then there's the matter of quality or design. Quality is just as important as quantity in the luxury world. If a property doesn't have high-end marble, high-end appliances, a pool with spa, tennis courts, boat docks, all of the list can be endless, and the home may not be considered as luxurious as one that has all of these features. Whatever your personal definition of a luxury home is, you need to know that your realtor is knowledgeable in every aspect of luxury homes. You want to know that you're in good hands with your investment, as it definitely is a big one. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. If you're looking for a luxury home south of the river or west of the cities, feel free to contact me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email, julie@vikingshomes.com.